There are moments in life when you sit alone, wondering why no matter how hard you try, it feels like you're always falling short. You push, you hope, you promise yourself you'll do better, but somehow the gap between who you are and who you want to be just doesn't close. And here's the truth. It's not because you're weak, it's not because you're lazy, it's because you've been lied to. Not by other people, but by the quiet voice inside your own mind. A voice that was shaped by fear, by past failures, and by beliefs that were never yours to begin with. Today, we're going to expose the 3 biggest lies holding you back and replace them with truths powerful enough to change the direction of your life. This is the lie that steals the most dreams. I'm not ready yet. You've said it, haven't you? Maybe not out loud, but in the quiet moments when opportunity knocks. You tell yourself you need more time, more confidence, more money, more skills, more clarity. But deep down, you know the truth. I'm not ready is fear wearing a mask. It feels safe, it feels rational, but it keeps you exactly where you are. Here's the reality. No one is ready. Not the people you admire, not the people living the life you dream of, not the people you watch winning today. Readiness is born in the doing. Confidence grows after the first step, not before. So the next time your mind whispers, "I'm not ready yet," here's what you say back. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need permission. You don't need every step mapped out. You just need to move, to start where you are, with what you have right now. Readiness is not a requirement, it's a result. This lie is deeper, sharper, more painful. It comes from experiences, from comparison, from people who hurt you or doubted you, sometimes without even knowing it. It convinces you that you're the exception, that other people are capable, but not you. That greatness is for them, not for you. But listen carefully, and I want you to let this sink in. There has never been a single person who felt good enough before they did the thing that changed their life. Every creator, every athlete, every leader, they all started scared. They all started imperfect. They all started unsure. What separates the ones who rise from the ones who remain stuck is not talent, not intelligence, not luck. It's the willingness to try before they believed in themselves. So when your mind says, "I'm not good enough," you answer with this: not perfect, not complete, not fully formed, but becoming, growing, strengthening, evolving. Every attempt makes you better. Every failure teaches you more. Every step builds the person you're trying to become. You don't need to be good enough today. You just need to be willing enough to begin. And then there's this one, the most destructive lie of them all. It's too late for me, too old, too behind, too many mistakes, too many years wasted, too much damage done. But hear this with all the force in your heart. It is never too late to become the person you were meant to be. Not at 30, not at 40, not at 60, not at 80. Time does not determine possibility. Your willingness to act now does. Some people rise early, some people rise late, but the rise is still the rise. Your story is not over because you've decided it isn't. A single decision made today can rewrite the next 5, 10, 20 years of your life. So when the voice says, "It's too late," you respond with, "You're not behind. You're not delayed. You're not disqualified. You are exactly where your story needed you to be to learn what you needed to learn so you could rise now." So here you are, standing face to face with the lies that held you back for far too long. I'm not ready yet. I'm not good enough. It's too late. Not truths, not reality, not destiny, just thoughts, just noise, just shadows on the wall of a mind that forgot its own power. And now, you know better. So here's your challenge. And if you do this, your life will not stay the same. Choose one thing you've been avoiding and do the smallest possible version of it today. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when you feel ready. Today, right now, Because movement breaks lies. Action kills doubt. Motion destroys inertia. The moment you move, even an inch, you become someone new. Someone who tries. Someone who grows. Someone who rises. Someone who no longer bows to the lies in their mind. Remember this. You don't need to be ready. You don't need to feel worthy. You don't need more time. You just need the courage to begin. And once you do, everything changes. Because the moment you challenge the lie loses its power. And the moment you believe in a new truth, your entire future opens. You grow as you go. You are becoming more than enough. You are right on time. Now go. Take your step. Your life is waiting for you.